Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 11th of September, and we now find a cleaner here who's cleaning this air-conditioned unit. You see the different heat exchangers. Here we are. And now it will look like new after the cleaning. So here's another one running, LG, and that's the empty case for the one we are just now cleaning. So you see all the components, and our cleaner is very busy. What's your name? What's your name? PG. Yeah, PG is doing a great job here in Babak, the town center. Okay, thank you very much, PG. Give us a wave, give us a smile. Thank you.